fifth one is just distance between 2 points, right? So distance between 2 points. First of all, you just consider 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. If your 2 points is x1, y1 and x2, y2, you need to locate these 2 points in the coordinate system. After locating these 2 points, to find the distance between these two, you will get a right angle triangle. See, actually distance between these 2 points, in the sense somewhere you have point A, just I name it as A, right? A x1, y1, and somewhere you have B x2, y2. Distance between 2 points, mathematically the distance is simply from A to B, okay? You may call it as displacement in physics actually, but here we just consider it as the distance from A to B. So from A x1, y1 to B x2, y2. This length from A to B is considered as the distance, and the formula is simply square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just I am not mentioning the proof, but the proof is simple just by the help of right angle triangle. Okay. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See, here you just observe here, since square is involved in the formula, x2 minus x1 in the sense difference between these x coordinates and difference between these y coordinates, okay? Difference between x coordinates whole square plus difference between y coordinates whole square, okay? Sometimes the people may write it like this, no problem, right? x2 minus x1 whole square is simply nothing but x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. No problem if you write in such way or this way, okay? Because square is involved. Or sometimes the people may write like this, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here x2 and x1, here y1 and y2. Still no problem because square is involved. Since square is involved, negative and positive everything will get balanced, and that's why you can use any one of these, all are same, okay? So the distance between 2 points is simply square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You may memorize it like this. Square root of x2 minus x1 is simply nothing but difference of x coordinates. Difference of x coordinates whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means difference of y coordinates whole square. You may memorize either that one or this one, no problem. Difference between these x coordinates whole square plus difference between these y coordinates whole square plus, and we need to give a square root. For suppose if you have a points like this 3 comma minus 4 and then 7 comma 1, if these are the points, then what you say about the distance between these two? As per our formula, the distance is square root of x2 minus x1, no problem. Either you may take 7 minus 3 or you may take 3 minus 7, no problem, because we have square there. So x2 minus x1 whole square. See, 7 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1. This is 1 minus of minus plus, so 1 plus 4 whole square. You need to simplify, okay? So on simplification you will get 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and your answer is root 41. So the distance between these 2 points is root 41 just by the help of that formula, okay? So the distance formula is very helpful one to solve many problems. At the end you need to memorize the distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 as that square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And now what to say about the distance between these 2 points 0 comma 0 and x comma y. Just think about it. You just replace x1 y1 with 0 0, x2 y2 with x and y, and on simplification you will get it as x square plus y square. Root of x square plus y square. So 0 comma 0 is what? Origin. Distance from origin to any point is root of x square plus y square. And the next thing is distance between a comma 0 and 0 comma b. To answer all these questions, the fundamental thing is this particular first formula. Use that to answer all these things. A comma 0, 0 comma b. x1, x2, a and 0. x2 minus x1 whole square is a square. y2 minus y1 whole square is b square, and this is again root of a square plus b square. Just observe these 2 points. A comma 0 is a point on x-axis because y coordinate is 0. A 0 comma b is a point on y-axis because x coordinate is 0. And the distance between these 2 points is root of a square plus b square. You just try to memorize this or otherwise use that first one. No problem. And now distance between x1 comma 0 and x2 comma 0. Look there, both the points are on x-axis because y coordinates are zeros. In this case, the distance, if you simplify, you get it as modulus of x2 minus x1. Okay, and here 0 y1 and 0 y2. Here you will get the distance as modulus of y2 minus y1. Since modulus is involved, you may write x2 minus x1, x1 minus x2, no problem. Okay, and then distance between x1 y1 and x1 0. Look there, x1 y1 is a point and x1 comma 0 is a point on y0, right, x-axis. So distance from point to x-axis, as I mentioned to you, this distance is modulus of y1, and distance from x1 y1 and 0 y1 is simply mentioned as modulus of x1. Okay, you just try to memorize all these things. If you feel any confusion, any difficulty, memorize the first one, distance between 2 points, as this root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and then you just try to calculate everything using that formula itself. Okay, so distance between 2 points. Okay, have a look. For each and everything there is a chance to express it on the coordinate plane also. Okay, with diagram. You just try to express them using diagram. Okay.